After you watch this video, you will learn 3 things. First, you will know how to use NotebookLM to create shorts like this. Second, you will import the right resource to NotebookLM 10 times faster and wider than other people because you know this AI research workflow, which can find all the YouTube video you need at once. And you also know how to use this JavaScript code to download all the YouTube links you need at one click. Third, while other people have headaches about why their shorts don't get views, you already know the right niches for this type of shorts to use because you will know what is the right niches for NotebookLM shorts. Think about the shorts you want to make. You can make content like history, trading, finance knowledge. I recommend making the content you want to learn, so it can form a learn-teach loop. Here we use hook attention as an example. Now we know the content we want to make. Don't directly paste it into YouTube and paste every search result into NotebookLM because it is not comprehensive and also not time efficient. Use this process instead. Ask ChatGPT to give you search terms which can be used on YouTube and paste these search terms into the YouTube search. Here's the problem. If you copy and paste each YouTube video link, it will take a lot of time. So we can use this JavaScript code to download the link much quicker. You can find the code in the Discord, and the link is in the description. After we paste all the links to the NotebookLM source, we come to here and click short. Also type into the video we want to make. Here we use how hooks hold attention. And here is the problem. What is the right niche for this kind of content? This type of video only suits for some certain niches, and these niches have one common thing. Doesn't matter if the video is long form or short form. It either provides emotional value or educational value. The video generated by NotebookLM has a slow pacing. Don't use this type of content in entertaining content. Use this kind of content when you want to teach other people something. To help you brainstorming much easier, here is a list of 100 niches best for this content, and you can find the whole list about niches in the Discord. If you follow the video to this point, it has a high chance you're on the same journey as me. I push myself to make better content and build better products every single day. If you're also in the game of making content and building products to gain more freedom in life, you can subscribe to my channel and join Discord to go along this journey with me. What is the best thing when people go together on the journey? I think it is about people solving problems for each other. Everyone has problems or thoughts they want to share. You can comment below to let me know. It will influence my decision for the future video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.